Welcome, travel enthusiasts, to a mesmerizing exploration of one of the most dynamic and captivating cities in the world, Dubai. In this video, we're diving into the year 2024 to bring you the absolute best things to do in this dazzling metropolis. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned explorer, Dubai's allure is bound to leave you enchanted. So, without further ado, let's embark on this unforgettable journey. Witness the city from the top of the Burj Khalifa. No journey through Dubai's landscape is truly complete without ascending to the upper echelons of the Burj Khalifa, an architectural marvel that stands as the world's tallest building. The journey to the observation deck is a captivating experience in itself, with high-speed elevators providing not just a means of ascent, but a visual feast as the cityscape unfolds before your eyes. The panoramic views from the summit are nothing short of breathtaking, offering a sweeping canvas that captures not only the city's glittering skyline, but also the vast expanse of the surrounding landscape. Explore the Dubai Miracle Garden. Amidst the urban sprawl and desert landscapes, the Dubai Miracle Garden emerges as a captivating oasis of color and natural beauty. Claiming the title of the world's largest natural flower garden, this botanical wonderland is a testament to human creativity and horticultural ingenuity. As visitors traverse the meticulously landscaped grounds, they are greeted by an explosion of colors from a myriad of flowers meticulously arranged into intricate patterns and designs. Have a thrilling adventure at Dubai Parks and Resorts. For those seeking an adrenaline-fueled escape into the realm of imagination, Dubai Parks and Resorts emerge as an expansive playground of excitement and entertainment. The complex, home to Motiondate Dubai, Bollywood Parks Dubai, Legoland Dubai, and Legoland Water Park, offers a sensory feast for visitors of all ages. Dubai Parks and Resorts ensure a day brimming with thrills and laughter. Immerse yourself in the rich culture at Al Fahidi Historical District. In the heart of Dubai's relentless march towards modernity, the Al Fahidi Historical District stands as a testament to the city's commitment to preserving its rich heritage. A labyrinth of narrow alleys, traditional wind towers, and painstakingly restored houses, this district is a living canvas that transports visitors back in time. Amidst the historic architecture, the Dubai Museum emerges as a cultural beacon, providing insights into the city's evolution. Get your adrenaline pumping at Ski Dubai. In a city synonymous with sun and desert landscapes, Ski Dubai stands as a testament to Dubai's penchant for pushing boundaries and creating unexpected wonders. Nestled within the climate-controlled confines of a shopping mall, Ski Dubai stands as the world's largest indoor ski resort. The experience is nothing short of surreal, as visitors transition from the arid desert heat to a winter wonderland where snow-covered slopes beckon, and the thrill of a snowball fight is but steps away from the cozy ambience of the Ypres Ski Lounge. Explore the stunning Dubai Marina. A leisurely stroll or a captivating boat ride along the Dubai Marina unveils a luxurious waterfront district that encapsulates the essence of Dubai's modernity and sophistication. Skyscrapers pierce the sky, yachts line the pristine waters, and the ambience is one of opulence and cosmopolitan charm. As the sun casts its warm glow on the skyline, visitors can revel in breathtaking views, catch a glimpse of the iconic Burj Al Arab, and savor the vibrant atmosphere of one of Dubai's most iconic districts. Relax on the pristine beaches. Dubai's allure extends beyond its urban landscapes to embrace the natural beauty of its pristine beaches. Jumeirah Beach, Kite Beach, and Sunset Beach stand as pristine coastal retreats, where soft sands meet crystal-clear waters. These idyllic stretches of shoreline invite visitors to indulge in the simple pleasures of sunbathing, refreshing swims, and water sports, creating a perfect counterbalance to the dynamic energy of the city. For a remarkable stay while exploring Dubai's best in 2024, consider the Al Mani Hotel in Burj Khalifa, offering luxury amid iconic architecture. Jado Marriott Marquis near Dubai Miracle Garden and Parks provides an elegant retreat And the address Dubai Marina, situated in the heart of the marina, is perfect for those exploring the vibrant Dubai marina and beaches. As our journey through Dubai comes to an end, we hope this video has ignited your wanderlust and inspired your next adventure. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy exploring.